A third way to get your work into your slides assignment is to use an additional app. So this is going to require you to leave slides, and there are 3 options of apps that I can think of that would be great. There may be more that are in self-service or on your iPad that you can use. Notes, Jamboard, and Explain Everything all have a whiteboard function where you could use your finger or your stylus to do the work. You can use any one of these, take a screenshot, and then import that screenshot into the slide. So for example, if I was going to use Explain Everything, I would open the app, click New, Blank Canvas, and I could do my math work. Well, that's not how you spell math. On the slide, and when I have that finished, I can take a screenshot, and you do that by holding down the home button and the power button at the same time. When I do that, it takes a screenshot that will save to my photos. So that's one option. I could also use Jamboard, open up that app, click the plus sign. It's creating a new Jamboard, which again gives me a whiteboard that I can write on with my finger or with a stylus. And just like with Explain Everything, you could take a screenshot of that, save it to your Photos app. The last option is in Notes. If you create a new note, one of the options is to annotate or to draw on the whiteboard by clicking that pencil. So select your pen, select your thickness, and then your color, and then you can do your work with your finger or stylus. Again, take a screenshot. It will save it automatically to your Photos app, at which point you can go back to your slide, click the plus button, click on Image, and click on From Photos. There I will see the options from the different apps where I took screenshots. I can click on that photo and insert it and move it around however I would like. When I'm finished with that, I just submit my slides assignment and my teacher can see my work.